Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at one of the tools in KVcore that I use every single day, or nearly every single day, and it is their blog feature. So on KVcore you have a front-facing website, and a part of that is a blog option. And this is a really amazing tool that helps you with your SEO for your website, and you can also then share this blog to all sorts of different social media sites so you can drive traffic back to your website and hopefully capture more views, more clicks, and future deals. So let me show you here in this quick video how to create a blog on KVcore. Right, so on here we're going to see this is what the front-facing part of the website is, and I have done a lot of editing and working on this. This is, though, with KVcore, I have not paid for any upgrades on this website, other than I did pay for a domain, a vanity domain, so mine says KVcore.com. But this is what the front of the website looks like. And there's a lot of different features I've added to here, and if you watch my videos, I'll slowly but surely explain what these are, show you how you can do them yourself. But to show you what the blog feature will look like once we post the blog, we're going to go here, so under there, blog, and this is one of the blogs. This one's more of just an infographic that was today, but you can see down here latest blogs. There's a whole bunch of different latest blogs available on my site. I have been doing this with blogs since 2017 on this one website, so I have hundreds, literally hundreds of blogs. You see right here, 645 posts. So you can go here, there we go. Here are all the different blogs that I have posted recently, and it's just a really amazing tool of all the things you can do with this. And then you can share these different blog posts on, again, social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, however you want to do it. So like here's one, Experience Downtown Loveland. So this is talking about what it's like living in downtown Loveland. So here's another blog post to show you what you can do inside of this blog and how it can look. So I had a YouTube video that I made on my Realtor YouTube page, just talking about why your home is not selling in today's market. And then it has some of the information about that, and then an image at the bottom. So these are all different features that you need to be aware of. So when you're creating a blog, you want to have a really good title. So the title is up here. You want to have an image of some sort that is on your blog page. So I usually create these in Canva. You can use Canva for free to create a lot of amazing templates. And then you have your content here, and you can format it different ways. And we'll go over that as well. But let's go ahead and get into KVcore and look at how to create a blog. All right, so here we are in KVcore. We are going to take a look here. This is, you're going to go up to Quick Actions at the top here of your KVcore page. You can come into the front, and right here you have Blog Posts. So you can click Quick Actions, Blog Posts. This is the quickest way to get to it. There's a couple other ways to do it, but this one's just the easiest. And as you can see again here, I have a lot of different blogs that I have posted over the years. But we're going to simply add Post. And here you're going to need a unique title. How are we going to create a unique title? Well, let's start with something simple like how much down. Now let's do how much capital do you need to buy a home? And you know what? If someone else has already used this blog title and has a KVcore website, it's not going to let you reuse it. You have to create a unique one. And it'll tell you that at the end. It's like, hey, you can't use this title, add something else. So you might add, I might add, just to make it more unique, living in Colorado. Just to make it a little bit more unique. And I fat-fingered that one. So living in Colorado. And so then in here is where you create your blog post. This is where you would talk about it. But a couple of features I want to go over. If you have a source code for a blog, like it's already been created somewhere, it's already been formatted like on another blog site, and you just want to transfer it over, you can copy that source code from that other website on the back end and just paste it here, and all the formatting will come over, all the links will come over, and it will be good to go. Or you can just type out your blog Or if you are using something like Keeping Current Matters, we're going to jump over there. I'm going to jump over there. You can copy and paste directly from Keeping Current Matters, one of the blog posts they created. That's what a majority of my blogs are, is from Keeping Current Matters. I maybe edit or tweak them a little bit to fit my local market. But you can just copy and paste them directly into here. But another really important thing is that you want to always, always, always have an image. So to add an image, you have this little picture button here. You click on that picture button. You can, if you have a link for an image you want to use, you can copy it in here. I like to upload my own, so we're going to hit upload. And let's see, this one is the one I created for my YouTube channel about KVcore. So upload that. Now it's got upload to original size. Width 120 is pretty big. Now it will scale to fit the website of whatever's looking at, but I don't want an image that big popping up on my website because that's going to actually slow down the load time of my website. So I'm usually going to drop that down to like 650 for the width. Hit save, and there you go. That image is now in there. And then you can just simply hit down to start adding in more text. Follow my YouTube channel for more secrets of KVcore. If I can type core, there we go. And so this, just to show you guys some examples of basic ways you can edit. And if you want to get really fancy, you can highlight an area they have here. So right now it's selected as paragraph. That's the type of font size. It's the natural one. You want it to be a larger heading. Go ahead and click that there. And they have different sizes you want. That type of a look. And then obviously you can go in and actually change. You have a selection of fonts. Not a huge selection, but a decent selection of fonts. Change the size. You can add in breaks and different things like that in there. I totally just deleted that stuff, but it's okay. You can add different breaks in there. You can add links. So you would highlight some text or add a link, and you would paste the link in here to save it. So like Corey Frith, Realtor.com. Be a URL, you can title it, website. Yes. But if I didn't want it to look like that, I could have said, visit my website. Highlighted that, hit link, then put it in again. Realtor.com, save, yes. And now that is hyperlinked instead of just doing a generic looking website. So that is some of the simple texting for a website. You're like, hey Corey, what about creating content for my blog? There's a lot of great sources out there. Like I said, Keeping Current Matters. Sometimes your brokerage might have some blog content you can use, or you can go to ChatGPT and start generating blog content ideas, and even use ChatGPT to help you edit and create those. But you do want it to be genuine to